Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be looking at the tabs element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the tabs element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. Let's search for tabs in our search widget. There we can see they've popped up. So let's drag those into our column, and then we have it. This works very similar to the accordions. So in this video, we're going to go through content and style. A lot of the advanced options have their own videos, so I recommend you go and check those out. But let's go back to content and begin. So the tabs work very much like other lists in other elements within Elementor. All you have to do to edit them is to click on them and replace the titles. So I'm going to replace this one with web design. We've then got the text inside the tab, and above we've got all the familiar tools that you will see in most word processing programs. We can also add media, so I'm just going to pop a web design image into the bottom of this one. I'm going to close that up, and then tab 2 we're going to change to web development, and again I'm going to put an image in, add media, and pop that in. So we can add another item if we want. We can also duplicate by clicking this one, and if we don't want an item we've just put in, we can delete as well. We can choose to display our tabs horizontal or vertical, and I'm going to leave it on horizontal. That's all there is to it when it comes to the content of tabs. I'm going to stop for a moment so you can add your own tabs in, add as many as you like, and then we're going to come back and style this. So let's style our tabs. Let's click style at the top left. The first thing we have is the border width. I'm going to put this up to 5. Then we've got the border color. I'm going to go with white. And we have the background color. And I am going to change this to orange. I'm going to close that. Then we've got the title. We can change the color. So I'm going to change that to white. Then we have the active color. So this would be the color of the text on the tab that you're currently on. I'm actually going to leave this as white, but you could have any color that you wanted to. Let's leave that on white. And then we've got the typography. So I'm going to change this font family to Amatic SC. I'm going to make it a little bit larger, and we'll leave the rest of the settings as they are. Next, the content. We've got the color again. I'm going to leave that on white. Then the typography, I'm going to change to Josephine Sands. Let's close that. And there we have it for the styling of our tabs. So let's just click this tab here, and we can check our work. If we're happy, we can go back to the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.